What is Elementor? Elementor is a popular drag-and-drop page builder plugin for WordPress websites. It allows users to create and customize their websites visually without any coding knowledge. Here are some of its features. Drag-and-drop editing. Elementor offers a user-friendly interface where users can simply drag and drop elements onto their page to create the desired layout. Pre-designed templates. It comes with a wide range of pre-designed templates for various types of pages, including home pages, landing pages, contact pages, and more. Users can choose a template and customize it to fit their needs. Responsive editing. Elementor allows users to preview and edit their websites in real time, ensuring that they look great on all devices, including desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Do you want to start with Elementor? Click in the link below this video, so that you will get a big discount today. Widgets and elements. It offers a variety of widgets and elements such as text, images, videos, buttons, forms, sliders, and more, to enhance the functionality and design of the website. Theme Builder. With Elementor Pro, users can create custom headers, footers, single post templates, and archive templates using the Theme Builder feature. Integration. Elementor seamlessly integrates with other popular WordPress plugins and services, allowing users to extend the functionality of their websites. Elementor is suitable for website owners who want to design and customize their websites without coding, freelancers and agencies who build websites for clients and need a flexible and efficient tool, WordPress developers who want to speed up their workflow and create custom designs for their clients. As for pricing, the basic plan for WordPress hosting starts at $2.99. Elementor also offers a free version with limited features and a paid version called Elementor Pro, which unlocks additional features and functionality. The pricing for Elementor Pro varies depending on the plan, Personal, Plus, and Expert, and the number of websites you want to use it on. To get offers and discounts on Elementor, there is a link under this video description for the latest offers and discounts. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe.